Hi, my name is Jamie Kelley. I just want to thank you for taking the time to learn about our math class. So I teach 7th grade math here at Thompson Middle School. This is my 18th year teaching 7th grade math at Thompson. So some of you may have met me before if you have older children that have gone through Thompson Middle School. So welcome. We're going to first just kind of go over the nuts and bolts. Here is my class syllabus. Our curriculum is the Open Up Math curriculum. There's no password needed. Students have a link, parents have a link. We will be using the Google Classroom as our LMS platform, and this is very important. This is where our announcements will be posted and our weekly agendas. I will show you more of that in just a little bit. Like I said, I'm just going to go over a quick overview. These are the 9 units we will be studying this school year. In class, students will need a workbook, calculator, pencils, a charged Chromebook, and paper or a spiral. And the grading scale is as followed. Students will normally be graded on quizzes and tests, and you can check that in Hack. I try to get those in there pretty promptly, but if you ever have a question, please feel free to reach out to me. The expectations in my math class is that students ask questions, share their thinking, and be respectful. And there you see at the bottom how you can communicate with me through email or my phone number. Again, I will try to respond as quickly as possible during school hours. What I would like to show you is our Google Classroom. So you should see that now. On the front here in the stream, this is where students will see announcements. This can be a feed and can get messy. So I always encourage students to click on classwork. It is here where things, as we go along the year, I will build and there will be different titles and sorted and organized. Right now, what we have so far are our weekly agendas. If you click on this, for example, this week's agenda, 8/23, that would be last week's when you were watching this. But when you look at the agenda, I try to give a week's worth of time, a work at a time. If your child is absent, this would be a great place to go. And even when they're present, it's a great place to go. You can see what we're doing each day. We have a warm-up and our agenda for the day. And at the end of each lesson, students self-reflect on their understanding. And if they are not feeling confident with that day's lesson, they are encouraged to go back to our daily agenda, and this would be their optional homework. They have some practice and a video to watch. So while they might not have an assignment specifically assigned to them, there will be optional assignments posted for extra practice. There's an example of one of our warm-ups. But they can go through and see the work for each day and the warm-up for each day. So again, if a student forgot what we did in class, wants to go back and review, or is absent, they'll definitely want to be coming here to our weekly agenda. Have a great night.